My name is Oscar Javier Jimenez. The negotiation of big technology products as imposed by the associate intangible component either they do patent strong because they have novel technology, or because they are research and development projects in the various stand at products development. This article describes the elements common to the negotiating process. The stage of the negotiation, the strategies, the principle, and the scenario. Problems. 1. Problems in terms of technical, economic, and social adaptability in the respective economies, cooperation, and Lex Wagner list playing and organization. 2. Problems in terms of technical, economic, and social adaptability in the respective economies, cooperation, and the Lex Wagner list planning and organization. 3. Expense derived from the good or service profit and marginal profits are obtained. Promotion and marketing. Therefore, in this case, joint marketing as the only action for listening interest and starting a new therapeutics market by gaining sales and the marketing experiences in the area. Recommendation 1. Act as necessary to take into account by the aid, expense, and the negotiation to optimize the resource of biotechnology products. 2. It is necessary to take and account the negotiation process the start of this in order to aid progress in the negotiation of biotechnology products. 3. Identify the strength, weakness, and the opportunities offered by each organization. Reference. Thank you very much.